Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 620, that is two keys keyword, and in this there is only one character A on the screen of a notepad, and we can perform any one of the two operations on this notepad for each step. We can copy all the characters present on the screen, partial copy is not allowed, okay, and we can paste the characters which are copied last time, and we will be given an integer and we have to return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. So initially we have character A on the screen. In first step we'll be copying, and in the second step we'll be pasting, and the third step we'll be using one more paste, so that we'll be getting three A's together. And if the n is 1, that means we need 0 steps. Okay, so let's start with the base case. So that is, if n is equal to 1, we'll be returning 0. Otherwise I'll be returning a function. Let's just solve. Let's say in my this is my current counter, this is my copied counter, and this is the total number which I want. Okay, and then I'll be writing this function, that is private int solve int, let's say current, my copied count, and my n, and I'll be checking that if my attempt, since my current becomes greater than n, I'll be returning a 0. And then I'll be initializing answer variable, that is with the maximum value, but not with the maximum value. I'll be initializing it with 1 in9, because if I'll initialize it at the maximum value and I'll add 1, it will go integer out of bound and it will turn into minus, and that will be my minimum answer, so I don't want that. And then I'll be checking that if current plus copied is less than or equal to n, okay, sorry, I missed the parenthesis, and my copied count is not equal to 0. Okay, in that case only I can paste. Then I'll be updating my answer as the minimum of answer, comma 1 plus the, that is operation solve. I'll be calling it for current plus copied, comma copied and along with n. Else I'll be checking that if my current is not equal to copied, that is I am having two options again, that then I'll be updating answer as the minimum of answer, comma 1 plus, I'll be calling the solve function again, current, I'll be updating my copied as my current, and I'll be passing on the n. Okay, and at the end I'll just return answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Okay, my bad. Let's give it a run again, and now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.